This airport is the Kangra airport. Flying down from Delhi and wanting to reach Dharamshala, you land at this airport. This airport is the most scenic beauty airport that I've ever seen. Surrounded by hills, a single runway airport, but moment you get down off your flight, you get the most mesmerizing view surrounding the airport. To reach McLeodganj, you need to take a cab from here. McLeodganj, the scenic hill station in Himachal Pradesh. We visited this place during monsoon. I felt as if we are living in clouds. In fact, there are times you feel as if you can touch the cloud. This place is populated by Tibetan community and famous for Dalai Lama's temple. Who does not know Dalai Lama's temple? We must have seen this temple in various programs, in various scenes. But I got the opportunity to actually see it and film it. Sangham saranam gacchami. Sangham saranam gacchami. Buddham saranam gacchami. 14th Dalai Lama Tenzin Gesto established Shulanka complex for learning and meditation of the Buddha's philosophy. This complex gives tourists to peek inside of Tibetan culture. The Namgyal Gasto monastery is one of the most famous monasteries. Was established for the preservation and promotion of the tradition of tantric teaching and meditation. Yes, tantric teaching and meditation. Tantric ritual, art and Buddhist philosophy. They believe that black magic can be used for well-being of the people. Buddham saranam gacchami. Buddham saranam gacchami. Dhammam saranam gacchami. This is the St. John's Church in the wilderness and was built in neo-Gothic architecture in 1952. As you can see, it is surrounded by deodar forest. This church is famous for its Belgium tinted glass window. Third highest cricket stadium in the world. As you can see, it is nested in the lap of Himalayan mountain. The main stand is built keeping the Tibetan architectural style in mind. The Bhaksu waterfall. This waterfall is situated near Bhaksu village, which is one of the famous tourist spots in McLeodganj. A stunning waterfall situated at a walkable distance from famous Bhaksuna temple. Nadi village is the perfect place to view the Dauladhar range. trekkers love and enjoy the gorgeous beauty of nature. Dal Lake is a small lake filled with greenish water. This lake is shielded by the rugged mountains and luscious forests. And to conclude, one must visit McLeodganj to experience Dalai Lama's temple and Buddha's teaching, Tibetan art and culture, and to grab the tasty Tibetan food. Yes, the most tasteful food that you can ever taste, and the majestic beauty of nature while sipping the varieties of teas.